Ito po ang ating pansamantalang pamamaalam sa bilang second part ng ating pagbisita dito sa Hong Kong. At pansamantalang very quick goodbye to Ate Pia as she embarks on a new, exciting journey.
Leave of absence lang naman, Kuya Bo.
Napakaikli lamang.
Hindi ako wala. Nag-give ang maayos.
Nagpaalam.
Nagpaalam ang maayos.
Alam nyo, we start the campaign over the years, the decades, different ways, always through a prayer. And what better prayer na nakikita natin why we're doing this for, di ba?
Right.
We're doing it for God, we're doing it for these people around us na sana dumating ang araw, hindi mo na kailangan mag-abroad. Kung gusto mo magtrabaho, gusto mo buhayin pamilya mo, gusto mong mapagamot ang members ng family mo, gusto mo mapag-aral ng mabuti yung anak mo, not even going abroad. Why do you always have to go to the city? Diba? Kung nasaan ka and you grew up there and you want to study there, you want to work there, diba? Yan ang dream natin lahat. But we're so thankful that going into the campaign, we can tell Ate Pia, all the best. Leadership matters. So sa lahat ng kandidato, all the best sa ating bansa. But leadership matters po. So siguro rather than an insight, going into months from now when we're canvassing, counting, congratulating those who won. In the end, do people win or do people lose? And people win when we have the right leader. So Ate, all the best. Thank you for the 8 seasons with you. Finally, masosolo ko si Kuya Boy.
Good luck sa'yo, Kuya Boy, na isosolo ka niya. Thank you so much for the warm send-off. Kaya ako naiiyak because, you know, yung mga ginagawa ko, as you know, kwento ko lang yan. Tapos ginagawa ko kasi I'm passionate about it. Yung passion ko for women's rights and welfare, yung passion ko sa mga kabataan, passion ko sa athletes, passion ko sa may sakit. It comes from the heart. So, pag nag-thank you, nagugulat ako.
Oh.
Nagugulat ako kasi hindi ko naman na-expect.
That's right.
We're so proud, not only to say, Ate, we wish you the best, but we're so proud we're doing it here and we're surrounded by these global citizens.
Nais naming panoorin mo ang mga special messages ng ilang mga mahalagang tao para sa'yo, para sa amin. Narito po, papanoorin ni Ate Pia at makikisali na rin kami.
Sa loob ng halos 2 dekada ng pagiging isang public servant, inuna niya ang kapakanan ng ating mga kababayan sa pamamagitan ng pagsusulong ng mga batas na nakakatulong lalo na sa mga kababaihan at kabataan. She is a great woman leader. Ipinapakita niyang ang babae kayang umabante. Tunay siyang isang Pinay in action. She is an incredible lawyer. Sa malawak na kaalaman niya sa batas, maraming mga kababayan natin ang nakikinabang at natutulungan.
Senator Pia Cayetano, ma'am, maraming salamat po sa suportang binibigyan niyo po sa aming mga atleta, most especially po sa mga grassroots.
From the start, you believe in our mission to empower children and youth through sports, and your continued support has been vital as our community grows.
Special yan si Sen P, di ba? Sobrang special kasi dahil sa support na binibigay ni Sen Pia. So parang tumatayo na rin siyang second mother namin dito sa community namin, also in life din.
Right from the early years of my athletic career, she's been there. She's been very supportive of my jiu-jitsu journey, and even before I was a national athlete, and even when I was a national athlete, she's been very supportive, helping me with my training camps, helping me with my competitions abroad, and I'm very grateful, and not just for her support towards me, but for her support towards other national athletes and even youth athletes.
Without your help, it wouldn't be possible to race and achieve our goals.
Kasi because of her love and passion sa paddle, nag-open po siya ng malaking opportunity sa amin.
Siya yung nagbigay sa akin ng chance ulit to play paddle and to teach my passion about paddle to the community. And hindi rin ako makapunta sa mga trainings abroad and to compete nationally, internationally without her. So I'm very thankful to her.
Her fighting spirit, resilience, sportsmanship, and a very support to everyone around her was truly inspiring.
Maraming salamat for being a champion of sport for development.
I know you're protecting the rights of every Filipino well.
Patuloy niyo lang po yung magandang ginagawa niyo with your advocacies and all your good plans ahead po.
We wish you all the best and we're looking forward to continue building communities through sports.
Huwag po sana kayo magsasawang supportahan po kami. Mag-iingat po kayo lagi, ma'am. God bless you po.
Lahat kaming nagmamahal sa'yo, nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng naitulong mo. Tunay na ikaw ay isang Pinay in action. Pero sa aming mga puso, ikaw ang nag-iisang champion.
Ate Pia, ano ang iyong mensahe sa lahat ng nagparating ng kanilang mga pasasalamat sa iyo?
Well, ako yung nagpapasalamat sa kanila, sa inyo, dahil binigyan niyo ako ng opportunity. To use the talents that God gave me. Ay, nung napapanood ko yung mga nagte-thank you sa akin, parang syempre naalala ko siya kasi parang kino-continue lang naman natin yung naumpisahan din ng tatay namin. Kami from the, as a public service, and then the show, CIA with BA, is also inspired by the legacy of our dad. Kaya nakakaiyak kasi I have that opportunity to serve and give back to my country and my kababayans.
You will always be an inspiration, P.
Ay, thank you.
You will always be an inspiration.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat for all that you are and all that you've done for us and for the country. Maraming salamat.
So everyone, prayers for the country, prayers for our leaders, for the campaign, but more than anything else talaga, you know, let's keep dreaming yung ideal Pilipinas natin, then working for it. So, Ate, thank you very much. 8 seasons and we'll, in no time, kasama ka na naman namin. Pero habang wala ka muna,
diba?
mag-iisip kami ng medyo iba.
We will look forward to being with you again and know in your heart that you have our love. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Ate Pia. Maraming salamat po. At sa lahat ng ating mga kababayan dito sa Hong Kong, sa Pilipinas, maraming salamat. Magkikita-kita tayo muli next week. Kuya Alan, Ate Pia, dito lamang po sa Cayetano in Action with Boy Abunda, dito sa